Hey friends, if Microsoft Store is not working on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So when you are trying to open the Microsoft Store because you want to download applications from it and this is not working, then what can you do? So first method is we are going to repair the Microsoft Store. So in the Windows search bar, type Store, Best Match, right click on that and then select App Settings. Scroll down and you'll find repair. If the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. Now click on repair. Now once you click on repair, try to open your Microsoft Store if this is working this time. But still, if it is not working, then go back to the same window and click on reset and then click reset once again. And once done, just simply close this window, then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your computer. Next method, press the Windows key and R button together, and here you need to type wsreset.exe. It's wsreset.exe and click on OK. Now this will open the Microsoft Store for you. And you will just have to search for your favorite apps, games, and movies here. So this is the second method. Now for the third method is you need to make sure that you are in the current date and time or your date and time is correct, which is on the current correct date and time. Now you have to make sure in that. Then we also need to make sure that our Windows is updated. Now how can we do that? Click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane in the list of options, click on Windows Update. And just simply click this button, check for updates. So this will download and install all the latest updates for your Windows. So you just have to go with that. And once done, for the next method is we can also try to repair the system files or repair the Windows with a command. So type CMD in the Windows search bar, best match, command prompt. On the right pane, click on run as administrator. Then here you need to type sfc space forward slash scan now. It's sfc space forward slash scan now. Scan now is just one word and there is no space in between. Now hit enter. So this process will take some time. So we just need to wait for this to be completed. So once done, just type exit. hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.